This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
ItratuF 100mg capsule is an antifungal medication. It is effective in treating various fungal infections in the body. Indications and uses. This medication is primarily indicated for managing fungal infections, including those affecting the mouth, nails, vagina, and toenails. It is particularly beneficial for individuals who are at higher risk of fungal infections due to weakened immune systems or pre-existing health conditions. How it works. It works by inhibiting the growth of fungus by blocking the enzymes that contribute to fungal cell development, leading to cell death and preventing further infection. Directions for use. Take this medication exactly as prescribed by your physician. It should be swallowed whole with a glass of water. Do not crush or chew the capsule. The appropriate dosage and duration of treatment will be determined by your doctor based on your age, body weight, and specific health conditions. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include stomach pain, nausea, and headaches. If any side effects worsen, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider. Precautions and warnings. It is crucial to exercise caution when using this medication in individuals with kidney or liver problems, heart issues, and those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting treatment to ensure safety. FAQs. 1. What is it used for? It is used to manage fungal infections in the body. 2. How does it work? It blocks the production of enzymes that help in fungal growth, leading to cell death. 3. Can it cause stomach pain? Yes, stomach pain is a common side effect. 4. Is it safe for pregnant women? It is not recommended unless advised by a doctor. 5. Can children use it? It is generally not prescribed for those under 12 years of age unless specifically advised. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.